Everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you delete applications off your MacBook. So this is really simple to do. You should only need to really see this once and then it should be nice and easy to remember. So you're going to come over to where it says Launchpad. This will show all your apps on here, and let's say you want to delete one. You can't delete all of these because these are system apps, but it will let you delete certain ones like iMovie. So if I hold over any application, literally any application, let's say you hold over Find My. If you hold it and you basically click on it but hold and don't let go, and it will bring you up to this page here. Now you can see they're all shaking. The ones that you can delete have an X, and once you click the X, it will then ask you if you really want to delete. If I press delete, it will then get rid of it. Now I do want iMovie on here just in case, so I won't do it. In fact, yeah, go on, I'll do it anyway. I can always re-download it, and you can see it's gone. As simple as that. Once you've done it, you won't need to ever do it again, really. Ever learn how to do it again. It's really simple to do, and you can see there's more apps here that I can delete if I want to delete them. So it's as simple as that.